checking out Changsha. Goddamn, it's cool. Changsha got style. China got it, baby. Cha-cha Changsha. Checking out Changsha. Checking it all out. Checking, just checking. Checking out Changsha. Checking out Changsha, checking it all out. Checking, just checking. Checking out Changsha.
We are on this street. I'm going to show it to you in a minute. The water's down this way, the ocean, but we're going to go down this way and then go up. We did another video where we went up one of these streets and down. This one we're going to go this way and that way. Okay, the context where we are exactly. So yeah, we're going to be going into this busy street. And then we're going to go that way in a moment. So stay tuned for that. Changsha, China. Kind of central. Let's put it up on the map so you can see exactly where it is in China. And then let's also bring it down a little bit so you can see exactly where we are inside of Changsha. And we're going to be checking out all these little, this is kind of near the river, and a lot of academic activity was at the river originally. So there's a little bit of classic architecture, history, and some street signs that we might come across. All kinds of cool stuff. Anyways, now it's a tourism area, and we're going to show it to you as if you were there yourself. Changsha, China. Let's do it. Here. That's going to lead us right into the downtown. Not downtown, but I mean like the center, kind of near this area called Muji Square. We won't get all the way to that square, but we'll be going in that direction. And this is not too far from the waterfront, so I think a lot of these streets here are connected to the waterfront. So I think initially they built commerce off the river. The river goes through here. There's a thing called Orange Island here, big statue of Mao, stuff like that. Let me just kind of. And then you can see all these things like former site of a grain deposit. So 1800s, so there's a lot of references, Western and Chinese architectural styles combined. So Changsha did have a connection with that river, bringing in a lot of different things. And I think we're going to be going down that way, but let me just, yeah, we're going to go that way in a minute. Oh, here's a big sign right here, so everybody's trying to capture this sign. Nice temple over there. Okay. So this would go all the way down that way. So we did the previous video. If you do the thumbnail, you'll see me go up this way and then all the way down. But this one we're going to be going this big long line. We're going to go up a new street. Changsha sign. So we are going to be going up this street. Bottleneck here. People are hesitant to go across that for some reason. Try.
Come on. Delicious. Come on.
So there's all kinds of treats here, I guess. Okay. Pretty cool. Oh, something smells really good. Look at that. It's kind of like a little bit of a pepper smell that smells really, really good. Kind of want to taste these little baby lobster things, but I don't want to order a whole meal because I may or may not like the taste. Fresh orange juice. She even threw away some of the bad oranges. Got those bikes, wow. A little bottleneck of bikes coming down. They have a ear cleaning thing right there. I saw a lot in Chengdu. Okay. Vegetables. Sticky tofu. The sticky tofu has a very distinct smell, so I can see if you had a interest in it, then you would be drawn by the smell. Okay. So we're coming up to the end of our alley here, briefly. Give you another taste of Changsha here. Hope you're enjoying these videos. Oh, these are the baby ones. Okay, so we are coming out to the end here, and I think I'm going to end my video. So that's a different street. Busy street, and then that's where we're going to end it. Oh, there's even a little sign there for those things. Let's come over here and end the video in a moment. Okay, another set of Changsha for you.
China got it, baby. Cha-cha Changsha.